only difference between diffusing and letting it air dry for you is when you go ahead and get a diffuser in there, you really almost like creepy crawler, spider it up. It's just giving you a little bit more lift around your base, so when it does fully dry, because I don't ever feel that, oh yes, you need to get your hair 100% dry with the diffuser. But it's really just giving you that separation. Like you said, once it starts drying, all right, the part starts to leave a little bit. It's just giving you a little bit more direction of that instead of letting your hair just... Thanks for tuning in to our diffusing video. I hope you enjoyed a couple little tricks on how to diffuse the hair. A couple big things I would say are definitely making sure you're staying in one spot for long enough to actually get the curls dry, so you don't keep going back over the same spots and breaking up the curl instead of really helping define it. Keeping it at a little bit more of a low heat and a lower speed, so you also aren't blowing the hair all over the place, because that's definitely not what we're going for either. A couple little tricks that I did do in the video were the little creepy crawlers. So when you place the diffuser into the curl, you almost start to shimmy it up a little bit to help give a little bit more volume, a little bit more definition, but a little more help at the base, so you don't feel like you just have that sad curl right at the top of your hair. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or send us any messages. Have a great one. Bye.
Yeah, I love bloopers. They're like my favorite part.
You'll just be like, I hope you guys liked seeing how it is to curl, or
Yeah.
bloopers.